Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how can you use Google Webmaster for different SEO tools. If you want to do some SEO of your website or of your blog, then you can use Google Webmaster as your tool. So in my previous video I am just show you how can you add your URL, add your website URL or blog URL into your into the Google Search Console or Google Webmaster tool. And also we can say this is a Google add URL facility where you can add URL if you want to add URL for listing, for indexing on Google, or you can just add URL to remove or de-index any page. So you can see here, this is the website which I can use to, this is the Google Search Console or Google Webmaster tool. We can see in this here. So in this video I am going to show you some other feature of Google Webmaster which you can use. So you can see here, this is my website URL which I entered previously in Google Webmaster to enlist my web pages, indexed my web pages with the help of Google Search Console. So you can see here, I am going to show you some of their feature. This is the dashboard of Google Search Console. You can see here, this is my website URL associated with Google Analytics properties. Child hunger and women empowerment is my title of my URL. After that, you can see there is no data appear out now because I'm just add my URL. So that's why it takes some time to give you the results. You can see various things with the help of Google Webmaster tool after the adding of your web URL. You can see here, you can get some improvement tips with the help of Google Search Console. You can do something with the help of Google Webmaster tool. You can improve your search presence in any search engine. You can improve the search engine of this is my blog, or if you have any website called www.something.com, then you can just add URL. You can add all your website version. If you have various version, then add the site. You can select your preferred version. You can set your preferred version which shows in which is see by the viewers in search engine. Select a target country. You can just select the country which you want to target. First, Google takes some time to processed your data. After that, you can use various information here. You can select the country, you can select the language, you can also select. Google has not yet processed your property. It will take some time. Google use HRE language tags to match the user language preference to the right variation of your web pages. You can also manage site user. If you want other people to access your error reports and search analytics and search console, add them into your appropriate access level. You can manage sites from here. Submit a sitemap simply. In my previous video I showed you how can you create sitemap and how sitemap is important for your website indexing in Google web page, and how this sitemap is useful for SEO, search engine optimization, to make your web pages more search engine friendly, and it will help you to grow your viewers. So you can add your sitemap from here. Learn how to work with Search Console. You can use this property to learn about more and more Search Console. You can also see search traffics, search analytics, how user can click, where the traffic come from. This is, you can just analyze your performance on Google search filter and compare your search. First it will process. After that, you can use link to your website. You can no data. You can link any website through the Search Console. So after that you can add some internal links. So in my website there is no internal links are available. You can, if you provide more and more internal links, if you provide links on your website, then it will help you to grow viewers, and it will help you Google crawl more and more, and it will help you to get some traffic, and Google can easily find your web pages. These are some tools. In my website, in my blog, there is no such things are available, that's why it not show you. So you can use international targeting. You can target internationally if you want. If you have any topic related international topic, then you can just choose your country from here. You can use mobile usability. You can see a fixed mobile usability issue affecting your website with mobile usability issue may not rank as well. If your website is not Google has not processed my property, you can just, it will take some time to process. After that you can do such things, such setting with the help of this search console webmaster tool. So mobile usability is very important. Friends, today number of mobile user increase day by day, and there are 1 billion smartphone in India. So people choose mobile to access various website, various blogs or anything. So one thing you clear on your mind, that you can make your website more and more mobile friendly. That will help you to get traffic by the mobile. There is two type of traffic. Traffic comes from your PC or traffic comes from mobile. So both website which you use in mobile or PC makes better, that help you to grow your traffic. You can see here Google index. You can see the index status of your page. So in my case there is no index because it's my blog, so it will take some time to index. Then I can block my any web page with the help of robot, or remove any URL with the help of. You can download your chart data. The number shown in the graph may not reflect some filter that can prevent index URL from appearing in your search result. So in data from the last year, so it will take some time to. You can also block resources, block URLs. If you want to use, you can use remote text. These host site resources that are blocked to Googlebot. You can block some pages. Googlebot is used to crawl your web pages. You can block some pages index incorrectly. If your page is any index incorrectly, you can block it. You can remove URL with the help of Google Webmaster tool. You can do all things. You can temporarily hide your any URL, temporarily remove URL that you own from search result. To remove content permanently, you must remove or update the search result more information. So you can see here, if your website get any crawl error, it will show here. I have to check back later. So there are crawl status, fetch as Google, robot, text detector, sitemaps, URL. So there are several things, there are several tools are available in your Google Webmaster tool, Google Search Console, which help you to make your site more and more better, which help you can index your site, which help you can block any page, which help you can de-index any page, you can help you to upload sitemaps. You give some tips to make your website more and more better, and on page you can do various on page optimization, on page search engine optimization with the help of Google Webmaster tool, and make your site more better and easily accessible to any search engine with the help of this Google tool. You can also see Google use crawler, Googlebot used to index your page, search your page. So this is how you can do all these things. So this is it in Google Webmaster. In my next video I'm going to show you some these options which you can use to make and use this tool to make your site more better and in SEO too, search engine optimization. So thank you friends, that's all from now. Thank you, all the best.